Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be looking at a site called Toluna Influencers. Whether it is legit, whether it's a scam, whether it is worth actually your time to go and actually earn some money on this site. So let's dive straight over to the laptop and we'll run through it and show you exactly what you need to know, how you can earn, etc. So stay tuned right to the end of this video. You're going to find out everything you need to know about Toluna Influencers. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the Toluna Influencer website here. And it's all about influencing the world. Your voice, our voice, the voice of change. So how it works is your personal opinion and can become the inspiration of others' need. Let us help you get your ideas into the right ears and obviously gain feedback and then gain great rewards by giving that feedback. Okay, so they're partnering with some big brands here: Amazon, CBS, Sony Music, Kellogg's, Coca-Cola. As you can see, loads of different household brands here. Testimonials here as well, and obviously to get started and be a Toluna influencer, very simple. All you have to do is click the get started button here. You just put in some details here. You fill in your name and then obviously and you go through everything here, and then you will get a free account. It's a free account, guys. It doesn't cost a penny to actually join Toluna Influencers. And if we scroll down right to the bottom of the main page, as you can see, the country, as I'm in the UK, so I'm signed up under the UK website. And as you can see, if you use the drop down here, there are various different countries that it is actually in. Okay, so have a look here, see if your country is in. It's not in every single country, so there will be some of you that won't be able to use it. So once you've signed up, you've obviously got to go through and then you can start earning points, which are obviously then you can redeem into various different rewards. So let's go further and look into the actual website itself and show you exactly how you're going to earn. Okay, so this is into my actual account. As you can see here, I've actually got 2,530 points. Okay, and it says obviously I can earn various different points for different surveys here. So that is the first place you can actually go and earn, is the survey center. So you literally just click on this, take the survey, and then you can obviously earn different amounts of points. Like this one is 1,200 points for 10 minutes. This one's 3,000 points for 10 minutes. Now, when you actually sign up, you actually will get 500 points by using the link in the description here below. So check out, if you want to check out Toluna Influencers, click on that link and you'll get a 500 points bonus just by signing up. And then what I would recommend you go and do is go and click on the profile surveys here. Now, I've only joined a couple of days ago, but as you can see, there are loads of different profile services here. So the About Us I've done, so I got my points for that. As you can see here, I've done the sport and beauty one as well. So that gave me another 100 points. As you can see, you could quite easily rack up sort of near enough 1,000 points just by filling in these profile surveys. Very quick, very easy to go and do. So you've also got other ways you can actually earn in the community. So you've got the community here, and you've got things like games, polls, topics, battles, and Thumb It. So if we went on to games quickly, there are 2 or 3 games you can actually go and play. Okay, but if we went on to the spin the wheel, we can actually spin this wheel every time we come in, and we can play and we can try and win in daily points. Now all we got to do is literally spin the wheel. And obviously it says better luck next time, no points today. But you can do that every single day if you wanted to just sign in. And obviously you've got some points on offer there. There's obviously these games as well. This is a bit like a Tetris type game, and this is a memory game which you can play these and you can earn some points by doing that if you prefer. Now another way is you can actually join the community and you can actually comment. So these are some quick surveys here, mini surveys, questions people have asked, and you get 15 points. The question here someone's asking is, how often do you eat out or order a takeaway delivery? So you can vote on this. You just click on vote, and then it says a few times a week, several times a week. So you look at the answers, and if you can just say, for argument's sake, several times a year, and then vote. And there we go. So it shows you the actual results of the survey so far. And obviously it's added 15 points straight to my actual points tally up here. Now, I did actually take a big survey up here as well. And some of the surveys which you get, I got 2,000 points for one of the surveys. The only thing I did find that it did take quite a long time. It took actually 24 hours for the points to actually show up in your points here. So just be wary of that. It can take a little bit of time if you're taking surveys for the actual points to be transferred into your account. So again, there's different ways that you can actually earn. So you've got battles here. So it says there's a spot the difference, perfume ads decades apart. So again, you have to vote. And again, it's very, very simple to go and do. Like this one here, which do you prefer, football or rugby? So you can just click on vote, and you can click on football, and you can also upvote the question as well. So once you've actually earned your amount of points, you can then obviously you get rewards for these points. So let's click over to the rewards and show you exactly how you can get paid, what different rewards you can actually get. And as you can see here, it shows you obviously how many points you've got again, and it shows you the rewards. So you've got things like PayPal, Amazon gift cards. You've got other things here. You can donate money to various charities. So if we click on the more, it opens up everything here. So we've got Starbucks, Waterstones, Argus, iTunes voucher, Currys, Costa, TK Maxx, Primark. They're all big companies in the UK. This will obviously be targeted to whatever country you're going to sign up under, and you'll have rewards for that. Now, the only thing disadvantage, I would obviously most people are going to want to get out cash, so PayPal. And with the PayPal, you have to get 190,000 points before you can claim £35 in PayPal. So that's about near enough $50. Okay, so that is quite a high threshold, and I can't see anywhere of where you can actually get a lower threshold there, where some companies that you can get will pay out as little as $5. So obviously it makes it a lot quicker to actually draw your money out. So that is one disadvantage I found with the Toluna influencers. And also, as you can see here, most delivery of the rewards can take up to 1 to 3 weeks. Okay, so again, that is probably a bit of a downside because most other companies these days can deliver very, very quickly, especially through to PayPal. So that is something to obviously look out for when you join and use Toluna influencers. You just have to make sure that obviously when you're getting your rewards that you're not in any hurry for them. Give plenty of time before they actually come out. But again, you can still obviously earn good money mainly by taking the surveys in this survey center. So my overview of Toluna influencers is pretty good. It's a legit site. It's been around for sort of 20 years, guys. And it's been paying out pretty regularly. I like the simplicity of the website. You haven't got ads flying up everywhere and things like that. It is pretty easy, well laid out, and some of the surveys and that, obviously you can earn big money if you came in every day and done surveys. And again, these survey sites, all of them are only really there to give you the extra few pounds and dollars and that for every month, rather than a full-time income. So I would definitely have a look at Toluna influencers if you're looking to obviously earn a few bucks and a few pounds every single month. Don't forget to, if you click the link in the description below, you'll get my 500 points bonus just for starting out, which will get you on your way. And don't forget to check out the survey profile surveys as well, so you can earn about another 1,000 points very, very quickly doing that. And then your account will be up and running, and you'll be able to then take more surveys and join in the community, etc. Okay, I trust you found that useful, interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to check out this video next. This is a video that I'm using this site to earn dollars every single day, really. Okay, so that's it for this video. Make sure you tune in again next time. We'll see you on the next video.